Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some lovely tomato sauce that you can use in either a soup or in a spag bol or something like that. I love it anyway. But we're going to have it nice and spicy, so I've been growing some chilies, so we've got some of them. We've got some homegrown basil. We've got some homegrown bay leaves. We haven't grown the garlic, but we do have some. We've got some chopped tomatoes, olive oil, salt and pepper, and we might even put a teaspoon of sugar in there as well. We'll see how it goes. Right, I'll show you the ingredients, a bit of a close-up. This kind of thing. It's all going to go in there. Obviously we've already peeled the tomatoes, so they're all ready to use. We're going to chop them up, we're just in little bite-sized pieces. But first of all, let's get these onions on the go. A bit of olive oil. Get the onions in. I'm using a bit of red and a bit of white. So just give them a stir. Make sure they're covered in oil. Let them get a bit translucent before we start. Use a little grater or a garlic press to sort the garlic out. Chop the basil up roughly, and I would chop the chilies up quite small. So the onions are nice and translucent now. I'm going to add the garlic and the chilies. And we'll leave that simmering for a little while. Get the rest of the tomatoes chopped up. So this is all cooking down nicely now. It's all nice and soft. Can you smell it? It smells gorgeous. Right, I think it's time to add them lovely juicy homegrown tomatoes. Well, actually it was Malcolm and Nana who brought us loads of these tomatoes around as well from their greenhouse. Because they're good neighbours like that. Right, let's get them in. We'll turn the heat up a bit. These have been stored in the fridge and the freezer. Did I miss? Give it all a good stir. Right, and don't forget to add the basil. Basil! And the bay leaves. Salt and pepper. We can always add some more later. I want to get one of them electric ones like that Creamer has. Right, give it a stir. I'm going to bring it up to a boil. And then I'm going to simmer it for about 2 hours. And we'll come back to it. Right, I'm just going to add that little bit of sugar that we talked about. Don't put too much in. I think that'll do. Yeah, that'll do. I think this is going to be delicious. So, like I said, bring it to the boil, let it simmer for about 2 hours or so. Give it a taste. And we normally store it in some little zippy bags and they go straight in the freezer. So hopefully we've got some. So while we're waiting for the lovely tomato sauce to be done, we might as well stir the rhubarb gin, which we've had going a few weeks now. All the sugar's all dissolved into it. And the blackberry vodka, which is looking delicious. Should we have a taste? Yeah. Very, very nice. This is the rhubarb gin. And I'm surprised it's gone green. Not red like rhubarb, but let's have a taste. Superb. So this is about an hour into the simmering of it, and I'll have a little taste. You can see it's reduced quite a lot. Right, here it goes. It's hot. Oh, it's spicy hot as well. Very nice. Well, that's 2 hours it's been cooking now, so it's reduced by about a third, I would think. Yeah, I would say so. And it tastes absolutely delicious. It's been about an hour, it's cooled down plenty now, so I'm just going to take out these bay leaves. They're in here somewhere. There was about 5, wasn't there? We've got a crazy dog with us at the moment as well. The granddog's turned up. Where is he? Hello. Hello, little puppy. You're a bad one. Don't let anybody see. I'll have to wash my hands though, won't I? I'm going to blitz it down. You can do it really smooth, but I'm going to leave it a little bit, what's the word? Lumpy. Yeah, I'm going to leave it a little bit lumpy, I think. Let's have a go, see if this works. Oh, that sounds a bit broken, doesn't it? Well, I think that's enough, and I'm going to leave it like that. What do you think? Yeah, that'll do, won't it? It's just like a mama used to make. I'm going to have some for tea. I'm going to have it with some pasta, and I'm going to sprinkle some cheddar cheese on the top, and that might, and that'll be my tea sorted. I think that's just about exactly how I like it. It's a good consistency. Not too thick, not too thin. So I think that'll do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and give it a go as well. But don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a subscribe as well, and I'll catch you next time.